Hey guys, welcome back to Keep Up the Gems. So, as I'm going through and I'm editing and posting these home updates from our new home build, which is in East Central Florida, I realized I haven't posted or recorded any videos from February till June. That's when most of the excitement happened.
What were you thinking?
I don't know what I was thinking. So anyhow, I have a slideshow. I'm going to put a slideshow in here with some nice elevator music. I'm going to put the dates in the bottom, and you can kind of get an idea of at least how long it took for things to come into place. And a lot of these videos, especially starting in June, I'm going to say, man, things are going really fast and things are going really good. But they would when we'd have supplies. So like the framers might come in and they would frame in a day and they would do a lot of stuff and have a lot of things done. And then they would run out of materials and then they would sit for weeks and there wouldn't really be anything getting done. The builders might come in and do something small, move some dirt around or touch this or that. So, they were here. But as far as big work getting done, there really wasn't things getting done. And then we would have somebody come in and it would be like boom, and one day they'd be done with their job. The trusses, they put the trusses up in 2 days and they were done. It was amazing how fast they could work. And the quality of work was really good, except for one contractor, and we'll get to that later in the series. So anyway, I just wanted to share why we're going to go into a slideshow, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the next 3 months in a slideshow. So next time you see me, it's going to be June, and we should be back in a little more of a regular schedule. So I appreciate the patience, and thanks for watching this series. Let's get started.